friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video, and if you are new here, welcome. I hope you hit that subscribe button and stick around. So today I am going to be reviewing the new Tarte Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. Super excited to dive into this. It's got some pressed glitters in it, so if you guys want to see my look and hear my final thoughts, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so we are going to be diving into this gorgeous look at this packaging. Tarte has some really pretty packaging. So it just says hashtag see the change. The turtle, of course that's going to go in the trash, but that was the plastic seal they put in there. Nice big huge mirror, and it says Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and then you get your shadows and your glitters, and the palette smells like chocolate. It smells really good, and I believe this palette retails for $40. I got it for my birthday, so I'm really excited to be jumping into it today. So the first shade that we're going to be going into is called Beach Therapy, and it is a light kind of brown cream shade. I'm just going to start blending that into the crease so we have our transition shade. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going to start blending into the crease, and I'm just using Morphe R37 brush. I'm going to go into South Beach, which is this light pink shade. And I'm going to do the same thing, just blend that right directly into the crease. Next up, I'm going to go into Aloha Beaches and start blending that into the crease. Alright, and then with my AOA E128 brush, I'm going to go into Deep Blue. And yes, it is kind of a shimmer shade. It is pretty shimmery, but I still want to use it. So I'm going to focus that on the outer part of the lid here. I'm going to go back into Aloha Beaches and just blend the edges out. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution's Cut Crease Canvas. I'm going to get the base laid down so that we can go into the shade Surf's Up, which is that really pretty teal. Now with a flat eyeshadow brush, we're going to go into Surf's Up, and we're going to be going into Aquaholic. Ain't that cute? And it is this pretty teal glitter. I'm going to be topping it. This is so minty and just so pretty. I'm going to use my finger to go into the glitter. Look at that. This is so pretty. I'm going to clean this up and finish the other eye, of course, and my face. I will be right back. Alright you guys, we are back with the completed look. Obviously, I love the way this look came out. Very dramatic though. You can soften it up because there are softer shades in the palette. Now, let's talk about the palette. So, here's our shades again. and you have the 4 pressed glitters going up, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 matte shades, and 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer shades. So this palette does say beach to me, with the blues and the silver in there, and you can get like a nice date night kind of look using champagne beach and buried gold, maybe a little bit of the Aloha beaches. I love this palette because you guys know I love glitter, and I love that more and more companies are coming out with pressed glitters in the palette. So a lot of us have stopped gravitating towards our loose glitters. Not that I don't still use them, I do, but it's just so much easier when it's already in the palette. Again, do I think that this is like an everyday palette? Absolutely not, but it's perfect if you have festivals or a party or a date night coming up and you want something glittery. You can just grab this palette. Now, it does suck that there isn't a matte black in this palette in case you wanted to, do a smoky eye, or like a matte brown in this palette. But as you can see, I did get this blue vibrant smoky eye, so you can still create a very beautiful look. And I can see why there isn't like a matte black in here, because this palette is geared towards like beach themed. Now, why they didn't put a matte brown, I don't know, because that would have went really well in this general area. I feel like I will reach for the palette more than the average person, just because I really, really like blues and I really like glitter. The packaging alone is enough to like really want to pick up this palette. All in all, I give this palette a 10. I didn't have a problem with it. I felt like the shadows blended out easily. Do I feel like you need it in your collection? Probably not, but if you're a makeup collector or just someone who does YouTube or even freelance, then it might be a palette that you want to pick up. I do want to tell you guys what is on my lips because I am obsessing over it. It's the Johanna, inspired by K Beauty, What a Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Peanut Butter. I am loving this lip combo. I used my Ofra Cosmetics. I don't know where it's at. I'm looking for it. Oh, here it is. I used my Ofra Cosmetics liner in Chestnut, and then I popped this in the center, tapped my lips together, and I'm obsessed with the way it turned out. So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my review, my thoughts, and the look that I created with this gorgeous Tarte palette. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and your bell notification so you're not missing out on any videos here with me. And also, don't forget to check out my second channel, which is Shanae's Life. That is linked down below in the description box, so make sure you read that. Head on over there and subscribe. Also, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.